Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. You know what day it is. It is Wednesday salad. And for today's salad, I'm going to present to you this beauty, which I named Lolita. Look at her. Ooh, she is so pretty, so colorful, but also so nutritious. This salad meal is perfect for you if you are a lover of chicken and quinoa. So if you want to learn how to make this beauty, stay with me.
What you will need for Lolita is feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, yellow pepper, cucumber, onion, chicken, red cabbage, carrot, and your choice of leaves. We're starting by adding the quinoa, and then we go in with the cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes. It adds so much juice to salad you cannot imagine. And then we go in with the cucumber, yellow pepper, especially for color, but if you have any kind of mild pepper, it will do the job. And then we go with a little bit of carrot and then red cabbage also for the juice and the taste. And then you go in and you add your shredded chicken, the one that you like to use. And then we're going in with some red onion, topping it off with some feta cheese. And we are adding our favorite pepper, fresh black pepper.
And for the salad dressing, I'll let you guys choose with two options. It's either you go the more healthy way, where you go and do a regular salad dressing that we always like, and that goes with everything, which consists of lemon, olive oil, a little bit of garlic, oregano, black pepper, and then salt. You mix it all together, and then depending on your taste, you could add or not add mustard, but I like to put it in my regular dressing. Or you could do something more fun, which is when I want to eat something that is a little bit more savory and less boring, I go with a spicy mayo dressing, which is chief kiss. I think that spicy mayo goes so well with feta cheese and also with quinoa, which are like, I think it's such a good combination to have when you want to eat something really savory but also healthy.
A little trick when I use sriracha and mayo as a dressing, I like to add just a little bit of water so it could be just more fluid.
Okay, so let's taste Lolita. Oh my god, look how gorgeous she was. Oh my god. So good. Oh my god, this is so good. And so spicy. What? I hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know what you think about Lolita. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next Wednesday salad. Cheers, guys.